Hi students and parents, let's walk through how to update your personal and contact information. It's simple. There are two ways to do this, through the profile icon or the general settings. If you want a more comprehensive update, the profile icon is the way to go. If you're only updating your contact information or name, the general settings will work for you. We'll start with the profile icon method. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. Next, click on the Profile tab to view your profile details. To make changes, click the Edit button under your email. Here, you can update your email, phone number, and time zone. Once you're done, click the check button to save your edits. Now let's head to this section below. If you'd like to update your personal bio, just click the Edit icon. Switch to the Education tab to edit your educational background. Same with language, click the plus icon to add a language you speak, or click the three-dot icon if you want to remove or replace one. You can also add an award in the Award tab. Just click the plus icon. You can even upload your certificates. Here's how you edit or delete a listed award. And if you're feeling a little extra, switch to the Additional Information tab, where you can input anything you'd like to share. Now here's how to update your name and contact info in General Settings. In the navigation menu, select General Settings. Then, in the General tab, click the Edit button located on the rightmost part of your profile. Next, in the Parent or Individual Account section of the page, you'll find editable fields. Update your first name, middle name, last name, email, address, and phone number as needed. Finally, after reviewing and editing your information, locate the Save Changes button at the bottom right corner of the page. Click it to apply the updates and ensure your profile is current. Now you know exactly how to update your profile information with ease. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.